Unveiling the world of video lectures. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore the concept of video lectures. Whether you're a student or a lifelong learner, understanding this digital education tool is key to leveraging it for your learning. So, let's dive right in and demystify what video lectures are all about. A video lecture is a teaching session recorded on video, typically by an educator or expert in a particular field. It's designed to deliver instructional content in a visual and auditory format. Video lectures have become increasingly popular due to their convenience and the ability to pause, rewind, and review material at your own pace. Video lectures usually consist of several key components. Visuals. These can be the lecturer speaking, slides, or relevant imagery. Audio. The lecturer's voice explaining the topic. Interactivity. Some video lectures include quizzes or prompts to engage viewers. Understanding these elements helps learners know what to expect and how to interact with the video content. Why choose a video lecture over traditional classroom learning? There are several benefits. Flexibility. Learn anytime, anywhere. Accessibility. They can be watched by people all over the world. Self-paced learning. You control the speed of learning, which is not possible in a live lecture. To make the most of video lectures, consider the following tips. Take notes. Just like in a traditional classroom, jot down important points. Pause and review. Don't understand something? Rewind and watch again. Active engagement. Participate in discussions or exercises if available. That's all for today's video on video lectures. We hope now you have a better understanding of what a video lecture is and how you can use it to enhance your learning experience. Don't forget to subscribe for more educational content. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.